Lexis Greene has been out monitoring conditions across our bay, Corpus Christi Bay. I see the Lex camera barely behind you there now as the rain is lowering the visibility. But Lexis, how have conditions changed throughout the morning, and what are you seeing now?
Hey Carly, it has been ever changing out here all morning. Just a minute ago, I was about to tell you that the rain was kind of letting up a little bit, but as soon as we got on, the rain is pouring down, but really the wind is the big factor here. We went ahead and took it up a level just for some safety reasons, because that storm surge was getting rowdy down there. So we came up to the American Bank Center level, but we still want to show you that storm surge still active. The bay is still very active. The waves are crashing down. The parking lot there for a minute was kind of filling up and kind of flooding up all the way to these second lines. So that luckily has gone down a little bit. You can still see those waves breaking on the seawall, but it's just an ever-changing moment. It's those bands you mentioned. It's just coming, it's leaving, it's coming, it's leaving. But it is definitely still an active scene down here at the Art Museum. Definitely better than it looked 3 years ago during Hurricane Hannah, and we are definitely glad to hear that. But be sure to stay with us on air, online, as we continue to bring you updates and show you live looks how Tropical Storm Harold is impacting everyone across South Texas. Back to you, Carly.
That's a really neat view. We had just taken the Lex camera showing from up above how the waves are crashing. Again, they're not necessarily inundating, it looks like, that lower parking level, but Lexis, something that I wanted to ask you was remind us of what time you arrived there and how conditions were, and now how conditions have escalated in that time frame.
Absolutely. Okay, well, first off, let's give some applause to that wind that's blowing in. Photojournalist Maitland is holding his ground, but we're going to get through this. So around 7 a.m. this morning, it was blackout. It was calm. The waves are a little choppy, but as you can tell now, it is just, once it hit landfall, you know, I'm not near the computers. I'm not tracking it like you guys. All I can explain to you is how I feel and what I'm seeing, and you definitely knew that it was here because, you know, the waves, the wind, the rain, it's just a completely different scene out here, and it's been really cool to kind of watch it develop for you guys.
Thank you so much, Lexis. Yeah, right now we're dealing with 52-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there near Corpus Christi, near the bay as well. So definitely some strong wind gusts that you guys have been enduring out there. And we're going to continue. We still at Flower Bluff have 55-mile-per-hour winds, and then offshore the winds have weakened now at our buoy. They're about 34 miles per hour, but that's what we can continue to expect as this moves inland. We're going to start to see the winds increasing in Orange Grove, Alice, Falfurrias, Hebronville, Kingsville. Also, you're at 32 miles per hour. Expect within the next 30 minutes, I would say by 11 o'clock, you'll be seeing some 50-mile-per-hour winds as well. Mike.
All right, thank you for that, Carly. We appreciate the update. We will continue to watch all of the things that are happening right now with Tropical Storm Harold.